in this one. Well, let's talk about BHEL though. The stock has recovered despite a weak showing in the first quarter. Vivek is here to tell us about a bull versus bear scenario. Well, Vivek, what are the brokerages saying?
Well, absolutely. So what's actually happened as far as BHEL is concerned is that operationally, any way you look at it, Q1 was an operationally muted quarter. However, today the stock has recovered quite sharply. And what we, are looking at, especially in terms of what's actually working for the company, number one, the bull case, what you could look at, the company is actually mentioned that seeing increased opportunities incrementally, from various other segments, including power, nuclear, coal gasification, hydrogen, defense, as well as railway. So, the kind of segment that the company is looking at is quite varied. And along with that, the order book continues to remain very strong. Order book well in excess of over 1 lakh crore. Thermal ordering activity continues, and this is in line with the energy security theme that the Power Minister has clearly said. And lastly, two important orders which are in the pipeline. The company has mentioned that it is favorably placed. This is both the 800 megawatt Singareni order as well as NTPC's Lara project that the company could get. But on the other hand, there are a lot of issues plaguing the company. Number one, execution continues to remain a challenge. Order inflow, especially in Q1, was largely limited to the Vande Bharat order. So, on the back of that, this lumpy order made the order book quite bloated. Along with that, gross margin pressure continues to reflect, and the path to profitability as far as BHEL is concerned continues to remain quite unclear. Most of the brokerages, in fact, are quite negative. Kotak institution has a sell stance. The target price is just 41 rupees a share. They are saying that, weak starting margin as well as price aggression as far as bidding is concerned is one particular concern. Goldman Sachs too has a sell stance. Target for them is just 38 rupees a share. They're saying lack of opportunities incrementally in the thermal space. And lastly, Haitong, they maintain an underperformed stance. Target is 63, and they've gone ahead and cut estimates quite significantly by almost 17% for FY24.
Okay, got that. So this is a perfect fight between the bulls and the bears. Thanks for putting both the views out for us, Vivek. Deepan, so